Welcome back to another beautiful video here at 144's Print House and Race Studio. My name is Nate Hamilton. If you're just finding our channel, thank you so much for tuning in. We are collecting a lot more content and putting out a lot more content thanks to our boy Elijah behind the camera. So today's episode, FDF rear kit. As you can see, our front is installed and there is another video for that. But today's the day for the rear kit. We got our boy Brandon on the scene doing the installation. I'm on the day-to-day grind here at 144's Print House. So enjoy this episode.
What's up, Canines? Today we're busting out with a new video. By the way, my name's Brandon. We're back with the FDF kit. Today we're gonna be starting on the rear grip kit. That's what it's called, I believe. As you saw last video, we went ahead and finished the front angle kit. She's looking mighty dandy. All right, let's get into it. Go from popping the hub off. Test fit it on to the new knuckle.
Every time.
Almost done.
Shove another one. In theory,
should just pop out. Yeah. Nice. Nice.
so what's really cool is that on this knuckle, there's multiple bolt holes to house different hubs. So you could put a 350Z hub in here, I believe an S14, S13, which is what this is, and maybe more, I don't really know, but it's cool that there's multiple bolt holes for that. So if we ever needed, I guess, a quick change and all we had was 350Z hubs, we could just throw them in here. So that's really cool. that. All right, guys, that wraps up the install on our FDF rear grip kit. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in buying this kit, hit up FDF Raceshop.com and they'll get you taken care of. Peace.